Hey guys, welcome back. So we are going to be doing my April monthly and my catch-all planner. I have a couple things here. I have the monthly scripts from Planner Kate, which is kit 6XX or A11. And then I have her holidays kit, and this is kit 7XX86. So I will be using those. I have my phone because I need to figure out which where they go. And then the kit I'm going to be using is this Easter Wonderland kit from Pop Fizz. So we have the 2 pages and we do have the sidebar. I'm glad we have our days of the week, and I do a Monday start. And then last but not least, I am going to be using a couple of my Black Mountain Plan stickers. And I do PR for her, so you can use AmyB20 to get 20% off your entire order. Please stop. Don't tickle my toes. Sorry, my daughter is playing underneath where I'm filming. So let's just jump right on in. I don't really know a whole lot, or I don't have a whole lot to really mark for April. Carmen's, you're fine. I just don't have a bunch of I just don't have a lot, I guess, to mark. I don't know what else to say. But do have a couple of things. Oh, I could have moved that down just a tad, but that's great. On this page, I can do Friday, Saturday, and I can do Sunday here. Okay. We are gonna put a box here. This is Monday, and this is April 30, or March 31st. Wednesday came up easy. I do know, like, Easter is really late in April this year. That I do know. I'm gonna do April. I'm gonna put April like right here. There. Do something a little bit different. Then we're gonna lay down our date dots. Okay. This is just tedious work now. Just trying to lay these out. Need to get them down. This plan with me, I'm hoping, isn't gonna be too long. Because like I said, I really don't have that much to mark. Once I know more, I'll obviously fill it in as I go, but know much. Like, I don't know if my husband has any trips or, but, so, I gotta, let's see. Alright, so there is only 30 days. April, so we're gonna just mark a couple of these down, put a couple of these down. I'll have one more because I don't have it. I put it at the top on the other page. Come on, there we go. Sorry. Really just okay. Okay. Payday is on the 1st. And the 15th. I'm gonna add what I do know first. So these guys. My mom's birthday is on the 14th. And the 15th is tax day. So I'm gonna put that down. Then I'm going to grab one of each color. Actually, I don't want it there. And here. Bum. One. Mommy. What, babe? Mommy. Yes, Ophelia. Alright, and then I need three. Sorry, my knee cracked. I am gonna be right on back. My kiddo is asking for lunch. I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, got her squared away. And then I'm just gonna mark down my therapy days. Alright, so that's all I have for now. Alright, when does Passover starts? On the 12th and ends on 20th. Okay. So why don't we do a little bit of layering. And it ends. Excuse me. The first is April Fool's Day. Let's see when it is. Sunday, which is the 13th. Let's do this one. I don't think I have anything else going on the 13th. But this is Sunday. Okay, so that one I won't put down. Friday is April 18th. Have a Good Friday. Easter, I believe, is here. Yeah. Like I said, I really don't have a lot. And then, let me see. Hold on. Okay, it's already done. Teacher. 6th. Okay. So those are the holidays. I'm gonna get rid of a couple of these because they have already passed. All right. And I think that is it for now. Don't have anything else to mark down right now, but I do have this page of functionals, and this is how my April is looking in my Catchall planner. So I will see you guys in the next video, and have a good weekend.